What if success wasn't as elusive as it often appears to be? What if the path to achieving our goals was hidden in plain sight, neatly compartmentalized into manageable steps? This isn't a far-fetched notion. In fact, it's absolutely possible. To begin, we need to understand that success isn't a one-size-fits-all concept. It's a personal journey, a tailor-made suit designed to fit the contours of individual dreams, aspirations, and capabilities. What might seem like an enormous triumph to one person could be an ordinary day for another. The first step to attain success is to define it. What does success mean to you? Is it financial stability? Is it recognition in your field? Or perhaps it's a sense of personal fulfillment and happiness? Defining your success gives you a clear target to aim for, a finish line to race towards. Having identified what success looks like, the second step is to set achievable goals. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Break down your vision of success into smaller, more achievable milestones. This way, you're not overwhelmed by the magnitude of your dreams, but rather, you're motivated by the progress you're making. Now comes the crucial third step: taking action. Dreams remain dreams without action. It's time to roll up your sleeves and start working towards your goals. Every step you take, no matter how small it may seem, brings you closer to your version of success. But action without direction can lead to unnecessary detours. Thus, the fourth step is to strategize. Plan your route to success. What skills do you need to acquire? What obstacles might you face? How can you overcome them? Answering these questions gives you a roadmap to your destination. But the journey to success isn't a straight line. It's full of twists and turns, ups and downs. This brings us to the fifth step: resilience. Embrace failure as a part of the process. It's an opportunity to learn, to grow, to become better. Lastly, the sixth step is patience. Success isn't instantaneous. It's the result of persistent effort, unwavering dedication, and steadfast belief in oneself. So, to recap: 1. Define what success means to you. 2. Set achievable goals. 3. Take action. 4. Strategize. 5. Be resilient. 6. Have patience. Success, therefore, isn't a destination but a journey. It's a process that requires clarity, planning, action, strategy, resilience, and patience. It's a path paved with dreams, hard work, and a sprinkle of courage. So go forth and conquer your dreams. Success is waiting.